Now it occurred to me, I did not show you the back. I don't want to step too far because I'm going to get submerged in snow. But yeah, you can see what I mean. The snow is very deep and it is eating through my shoes and I'm cold. Very cold. So, this is our neighbor's yard. My yard, well, our yard. Okay, it is very cold out now. Well, just wanted to show this to you. I got stepped into a huge snowdrift around here. That is cold. Okay, I'm off now. Get an idea of how deep the snow is. You can see right there. Ay, ay, ay. Well, that's it. See you later.